cool for cats. So, 60 degrees, it's really autumn today, but it's not raining, doesn't look like it's going to rain, so let's go for a ride. Wear my leather Merlin chase leather jacket, wearing my thicker brown leather gloves. Should have done the neck piece of my jacket up. A bit cold around the neck. Other than that, everything's fine. Triumph T120 in the cold. No wind protection except this mini fairing. It's all good. Got music blasting in my helmet via my cardio Pack Talk Bold. Oh, almost fell off. That would have been embarrassing. All my vents are closed. A very grey day. A little bit cold is a lot better than boiling my goddamn ass off. But it's definitely autumn today. Riding season is coming to an end. Is it hell? Just wear more clothes. I have the full thermals. That's a strange looking car, isn't it? The Scion XA. Yeah, get that out of my mouth. So I had my neck warmer in my mouth. That's closed. Close it up more. Money for nothing. Chicks for free.
Repositioning of the microphone seems to have done the trick. When I close down the visor of my helmet, it pretty much blocks out all the wind noise and you can hear me speaking very clearly. So that's job done.
Hello.